Jamaica is growing at a faster rate than it did last year, but it's still slower than authorities expected. Governor of the Central Bank, Brian Winter, says the bank is forecasting real gross domestic product, GDP, to expand between 1 and 2% for this fiscal year. The economy is expected to recover from the production disruptions of the previous fiscal year and the impact of the drought. Mr. Winter is also banking on improvements in the business environment and external competitiveness.
Survey of business confidence conducted in the June 2015 quarter, shows that positive sentiment about the economy within the business community remains strong. Encouragingly, a significant proportion of respondents reported that their profits were higher or similar to their previous results. A significant proportion also believed that it was a good time to expand capacity and that the economy would improve during the year ahead. It appears also that the stock market is reflecting the same sentiments, and where we are seeing or have seen increases in stock prices and increases in trading volumes across all of the economic sectors that are represented by listed companies.
This was reflected for the March 2015 quarter, which recorded a modest surplus of $39.4 million. Tourism was a major contributor to that achievement, recording an average increase of 4.5% in stopover arrivals over the past 4 years.
Our estimate of the current account deficit for the June quarter is that it would have narrowed, and that would be, of course, compared to the June quarter of the year before. And this is on the back of moderate growth in arrivals and growth in remittances. But also, we will see when it's reported, we expect a growth to have occurred in an improvement rather in the merchandise trade deficit. And looking at the year as a whole, the fiscal year as a whole, what are we expecting? Well, aided by the lower oil prices that we are seeing, on top of the other developments that will continue that I've spoken of, the current account deficit is anticipated to contract to around 3% of GDP for the fiscal year as a whole.
The BOJ governor says the forecast is that the current accounts deficit of 3% will be fully covered by foreign direct investment inflows of 4 to 5% of GDP.